YouTube. This is Cooking with Dad.
And your name is?
Gage.
And my name is Dad. No! You can't say my first and last name on YouTube.
Why?
You just can't.
Alright.
So, you can say or Jim.
Or Jim.
Alright, let's do this again.
Alright, bloopers. Anyways. Today we are...
Hello, you...
Hello, YouTube.
Alright, start it. Wait. Ready?
Ready? Hello, YouTube, and welcome with Cooking with Dad.
In this episode, we're going to make waffles.
Including pancakes. But we're going to do that in the next episode, right? Are we going to do that in the next episode?
Maybe.
Alright.
Maybe.
Anyways.
So it's very easy, and this is Grandma's secret recipe. But don't worry, we asked for permission, right, Gage?
Yes, and this is the secret ingredient for the waffles.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
It is cake batter flavoring.
Made by McCormick's. Pretty good stuff.
Yeah, this is about... By the way... Anyways, the ingredients are...
We don't read off the ingredients, we're just going to do it. So, we're going to add 2 eggs. Right on the corner here. Here, that one. No. Here, I'll do the first one.
I can't do it. I can't really crack eggs that easily.
You do the second one. Oh!
Crap.
Alright, well, we're a little gooey.
Yes. Dad, can you please grab a napkin or a rag? You might need a rag for this one.
There we go.
Because it's a bit messy.
Uh-oh. See the little shell in there? You gotta get that out.
A piece of,
Little baby shell.
a piece of shell.
Get it? Here, let me get it.
I can't get it.
Let me get it. I'll get it.
I can't get it.
I got it. Alright. Now what's the next ingredient?
Alright, we need buttermilk. 4 to 3/4 cup, right?
2 3/4 cup.
Yes.
So,
By the way, buttermilk, you do not want to smell this. This smells disgusting. Yeah, you have to believe us.
yeah, it doesn't smell too pleasant.
It smells like raw eggs. Alright. Alright, just don't smell this stuff. It smells disgusting.
So 2 of those. Oh, what is that? Is that 3? Nope, dump it.
It looks like cooking eggs.
So that's the 3/4 cup. So 1 of those and 2 of these.
Yes. I'll pour this.
Go ahead. 1 more. Oh, hold it straight. Right there. Okay.
It's a bit heavy. This reminds me of heavy whipping cream. Make sure you want to get it all out, guys.
Alright, what else we need?
We need half a cup of vegetable oil.
Nope, we need a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil.
1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Now you just want to pour this in, right?
Mm-hmm. So far, guys, if you're not keeping up, it's 2 eggs, 2 3/4 cups of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil.
Yes.
What's next?
Next is a tablespoon of cake batter flavor.
How much?
A 1/4.
Half. Half a tablespoon.
Half tablespoon of Grandma's secret recipe for waffles. Or pancakes if you want to try it out. Pancakes.
There you go.
And I just fill it all in.
Mm-hmm. Oh, slow. Dump her in.
By the way, you want to smell the cake batter flavoring. Smells good. Alright, never mind. Now, you don't want to touch the waffle maker. Well, if you do have a waffle maker and you turned it on, do not touch it.
It's very hot.
Very, very.
Definitely want to preheat it. Okay, what's next?
Next, we need 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
2 teaspoons of baking soda. There you go, scoop her out. Oh,
Oop.
that's okay. And one more. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Too much. That's gotta keep it a little flat there, buddy, like that. See?
Alright.
There you go. All right. Now what's next?
We need baking powder. Eighth a cup of baking powder.
There you go. 1/8 cup, right here.
And I will actually dump it in.
Ooh.
That looks like flour.
How are we gonna get that in there? Hold on. Let me scoop it in there. Maybe that'll be easier.
By the way, you do not want to eat this stuff.
No.
It looks like powdered sugar, but it's actually just,
Gross.
yes.
That's good.
And now just 1 cup of this.
Eighth of a cup of that.
Ready?
Yep. Boop. Plop.
Alright.
Now we mix it.
I will mix since I'm your trusty assistant.
Okay, hold on. Oh, I thought I was your trusty assistant.
I'm your trusty assistant for right now.
Start slow. Go slow.
Yeah.
Ooh, get it in there. Now one on.
Now you want to mix it really good. It might get a bit messy. Isn't that right?
Yep. Get her on the sides. There we go.
If you want to put in an extra egg, just don't do that. That'll make it even thicker.
Probably don't want to do that, no. I will tell you guys, these are the best waffles I have ever eaten.
Even at his dad's house.
Yep, even at Grandpa's. Okay, let me see it for a second.
If kids are missing this, they might have to stand up.
Woo!
That's loud.
Is it?
Very.
Don't touch the waffle maker, it's hot.
I know.
I think we're good.
Alright.
That was loud.
Next up, we need butter spray. You want to open up your...
Oh, nope. Hold on.
What?
Hold on.
What?
Once you get it all mixed up, let it sit for about 5 minutes. Well, so we'll see you in 5 minutes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have a confession to make. We forgot to add the flour. I will put the entire recipe in the description and step-by-steps on how to do it. It was super thin. I thought it looked a little funky, but I've never made these before. I've only eaten them. They are delicious. We're gonna cook them right now. So let's see what happens. You ready?
Ready.
All right.
Oh, it's smoky again.
Per Grandma's instructions, even if it's brand new, non-stick, still use some kind of pan, or in this case, we're using a non-stick butter.
Yeah. Now you really want to spray that on.
All
You
right.
don't want that to stick.
We sure don't. All right, dump it in the middle here.
This reminds me of an oddly satisfying video.
Yeah. That's probably too much, but we'll see. Spin it around.
Spin it around.
Now it's the first time we're using this waffle maker, so hopefully we get it right the first time. It's supposed to be, my grandma said, 2 to 3 minutes, so we'll see what happens. You want to tell Alexa?
3 minutes.
2 minutes.
Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Gage.
2 minutes, starting now.
We're still recording.
Ah.
Lick it. All right, let's see how this goes. Yeah, don't forget the flour.
They probably already filled flour. They probably already failed one time. But that's okay if you fail.
Yep. What does failing teach us?
I don't know. I'm not that good.
You're not that good?
Yes.
We learn from our mistakes.
Yes.
So you have to fail in order to get,
They're right again.
yeah, in order to get it right.
Even though
Can't be perfect every time.
I'm in kindergarten.
You're not in kindergarten. Tell them what grade you're in.
I'm in 2nd grade.
Yep.
Alexa, how much time do we have on the timer?
You have 40 seconds left on your 2-minute timer.
Cool.
2 minutes timer canceled.
We did it right this time.
We'll cook it just another,
1 minute.
yeah.
Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
These will probably taste like heaven.
Yes.
And they're like Eggo waffles.
Better than Eggos. They just look like Eggos because they're waffles.
Yes.
Butter. Salted butter on these. That's the way to go.
Let's check it again.
Okay, here.
What? That looks so good.
Leave it be. It's fine.
Alexa, how much time is on the timer?
You have 20 seconds left on your 1-minute timer.
Yay.
Yay! Right.
Alexa, how much time is on the timer?
There's less than 10 seconds left on your 1-minute timer.
Alexa, stop.
Ooh, that's hot.
What? It smells super good.
It does. I hope it's done.
It is.
Is it? How do I get it out?
It's scorching hot.
Sweet. So 3 minutes. Wait. Let that heat up again.
So good.
Hey guys, best waffles you'll ever eat. Trust me. You love them. I love them. My grandma started a restaurant years ago and she had lines around the building. That's how good they are. Thanks for watching. Right, Gage?
Yes. Remember to use this.
Secret ingredient.
Yes.
You want to thank them?
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share with all your friends. And we'll see you on the next video.
See you next time. How'd you like that waffle, buddy?
It's freaking delicious.
It must be, because you ate almost the whole thing so far.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
Sweet.
By the way, take a look. Everybody take a look around my office. I got my own weapon arsenal.
All right. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.